Welcome to our What's New in 2020 series. I'm David, and I'll take you through the updates for SOLIDWORKS MBD. SOLIDWORKS MBD helps companies define and organise product and manufacturing data, or PMI, including 3D model data, and publish to industry standard file formats. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, dimensions, notes and symbols are automatically placed on annotation views, and 3D views can be used to organise 3D PMI in a structured, easy to locate fashion. In SOLIDWORKS 2020, individual annotations are now listed under each annotation view to help visualize the relationship between annotations and the view on which it was assigned. When you select an annotation in the Feature Manager, it's highlighted in the Graphics area, and annotations can now be easily hidden or shown. The names of DIM Expert annotations now follow a new format, which adds the feature name and dimension value to the previous format. By default, annotations appear in subfolders that correspond to the view to which they belong, but can also be sorted by annotation type, such as dimensions, datums, notes and symbols, for better organisation. With SOLIDWORKS MBD, companies can capture all of the required PMI to guide the manufacturing process directly in 3D, helping to streamline production, reduce errors, and eliminate traditional 2D drawings. In summary, SOLIDWORKS MBD can now organise PMI by annotation view or type, easily identify annotations and their assigned view, and facilitate MBD adoption. All of this allows easy organisation of annotations in the model space, allowing for faster adoption of MBD.